to another one of my tutorials. Today, I will be teaching you how to make yourself sneeze. Now, you might be asking me, Sam, how would you make yourself sneeze? Well, I'm gonna tell you. First, you'll need one paper clip. The size of the paper clip doesn't matter. It can be any size you want it. It could also be any color, except a white paper clip. 'Cause fuck those. And okay, now that you've selected your paper clip, you need to bend it like this. Okay? Make sure you bend it correctly, guys. Be careful that you don't prick your finger. Now that you've bent your paper clip, you gotta take it, look up your nostril, alright? And yeah, you find that little spot in your nose, right there, and then you wait, right? Yeah. And that's how you make yourself sneeze. Fuck. Now the spot in the nose is right here. It's a little reflex. This is developed years to help ago through evolution to help us fight mammoth. So that was your cool instructional video. Like, comment, and subscribe to me, please. Thank you.